Reuben served 3 months, Samuel served 5 months. Now the Onuha brothers are free and their positivity will shock you. Listen, setbacks don't define you. Your comeback does. These brothers are proof that every L is just a lesson in disguise. Time to execute.
You know, sometimes life throws us curveballs we never see coming. My name is Samuel Onuha. You'll know I just got out of incarceration. I spent time behind bars. But today, I want to talk about what I learned in the darkest chapter of my life, and why I'm not just standing tall, but shining brighter than ever. Let me take you back. Picture this. A cell with barely enough room to stretch, the same 4 walls, day in, day out. Time moves differently inside. Seconds drag into hours. Privacy? Forget about it. But here's the thing. I never let my circumstance define me. If my body was trapped, my mind stayed free. So what did I do? I started looking inward. I read every book I could get my hands on. I wrote letters. I wrote poems. I wrote long notes to myself about who I wanted to be when I got out. I talked to men I'd never have met on the outside. Men with stories that broke my heart and gave me hope all at once. It wasn't easy. Nights I felt hopeless, wondering if things would ever change. But I learned something powerful. Gratitude. Weird, right? To find gratitude in a place designed to break you. But I did. I started to thank the universe for every small mercy. A laugh with a cellmate. A hot meal. The sunrise I could peek at through a tiny window. Every day, I chose to focus on the good, no matter how buried it was. I realized pain can be a teacher. If you listen, pain shows you what matters most. For me, it was freedom. Freedom to walk outside. Freedom to dream. Freedom to hope. Freedom to love myself again. Now I'm back. The world feels brand new. I appreciate things I used to overlook. A simple hug, the taste of fresh fruit, walking under the open sky. Some people might look at my past and judge. They might think my story ends with those 4 gray walls. I'm here to prove them wrong. Being positive isn't just a choice. It's my rebellion against the darkness I've lived through. If you're struggling, if you feel stuck or broken, hear me out. Your story isn't over. You can find light even in the hardest places. I'm living proof. I'm moving forward. I'm giving back. I'm sharing my story, hoping it lifts someone else the way hope lifted me. If you're listening, if you're hurting, hold on. Better days are coming. This is Samuel Onuha, grateful, stronger than ever, reminding you it's never too late to start again.